Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You need an Epidemic Sound subscription and a verified YouTube channel to avoid claims. First, sign in and confirm your plan covers YouTube use. This is the legal basis so you don't get flagged. Once signed in, choose the correct license type, channel license for ongoing uploads or single track for one video, and link your YouTube channel in Epidemic Sound settings. Doing this first prevents later disputes and streamlines attribution. Make sure to keep your subscription active while videos remain public. Now you pick and prepare audio. Search for a track by mood, BPM, or genre and preview multiple options so the energy matches your edit. Once chosen, download the correct file, full mix or stems if you need isolated vocals, and record the track ID and license type. Then add that info into your video metadata and description. This helps YouTube and support teams verify rights. If you're editing, align beats to cuts. That prevents abrupt edits that look like sampling violations. Upload the video and keep visibility private until initial checks are clear. Once public or scheduled, monitor YouTube Studio for automated claims within 24 to 48 hours. These often resolve if your account link is correct. If a claim appears, locate the license proof in your Epidemic Sound dashboard and submit it via YouTube's dispute form or ask Epidemic Sound to release the claim. If problems persist, double-check your subscription status and channel linkage. Most issues stem from.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.